Hey, I'm Gracie with WTI, and I want to show you how Modular Closet completely transformed our closet from top to bottom. We went from this very standard, very basic, to this fully functional, spacious, and a sturdy closet system. My very first impression after receiving it in the mail was, wow. Everything came in 6 separate boxes, and it was packaged so well. There was not a scratch or a dent on any surface. We were highly impressed with the quality right away. It took us a couple of hours to fully assemble. Every order comes with the standard booklet, and you just turn to whichever section that you want to start building first. And all we needed was a screwdriver, a mallet, and a drill. The best part about modular closets is you can customize your closet any way you want. They have multiple different modules to choose from, whether you want all hanging towers, all shelves, a shoe rack tower, or a little bit of everything. You can finally have the closet of your dreams. Our closet is 96 inches wide, so we chose the double hanging units on each side with the shelf and drawer tower in the middle. I love that the drawers slide in and out smoothly. They're nice and wide and they're deep, so I can fit a variety of things in each drawer. We recently just moved into a smaller house, so I really wanted to utilize every inch of my closet space, which is exactly what modular closets did. I didn't realize how happy a closet can make me, but I have been very impressed with this one. It's very sturdy, it's well made, it's fully functional, and I just couldn't love it more. And that's my point of view.